Hello and welcome back to VLADA'S place. One of the things I'm most passionate about is encouraging people to learn to garden and to grow some of their own food. Just last year, my charity donated over $120,000 worth of free fruit and vegetable seeds to public libraries in San Diego and Los Angeles area. In this video, I want to show you how you too can do this to save money and to learn to grow your own fruit. Melons can grow in so many different places, and ours are planted around our fruit trees because our fruit trees are watered on a regular basis. With that said, having enough moisture and sun is very important when you grow melons. When it comes to melon seeds, you can always buy them at the store, or you can save them from your favorite melon of the year. This particular batch has all the properties that I seek in a very good melon. It has a great texture, it's very fragrant, and it's so sweet. Gathering seeds is very simple. Basically scrape them out of the plant, just like this, and then we are gonna set them on a paper towel to let them dry. In addition to a cantaloupe, I also got a very good watermelon, so I'm saving seeds of both. Seeds will come out very easily off of this meaty part of a plant, so gather as many as you can and set them on a paper towel. Normally, you would need to save only about 10 to 15 seeds, but I'm saving a whole bunch because I'm going to share mine. By the way, I would suggest not to rinse these seeds, but rather to leave them in their natural state with the coating that they already have on. Some seeds will come off very easily, while others might need a little more persuasion. Continue to spread them on a paper towel, and once you're done, we're going to put the paper towel on a tray, and we will set the tray in a warm, bright and very dry area for the seeds to slowly dry. Covering is optional. I'm just going to throw a little extra paper towel on top and absorb some of the extra moisture. And then we're going to just let it sit and dry. Under right conditions, seeds should be ready for packaging within 10 days. Once they're completely dry, we're going to store them. And so what I'm going to do next is basically just fold the paper like this, or maybe we can do it even smaller like that. Then fold it in half, and then I'm going to store this in a paper bag until the next year. This is so simple and so easy, and I hope that you will try it and just give it a shot of trying to grow your own melons. I got a lot of very good melons this summer, and every time I picked a good one, I would harvest the seeds and just throw them around the yard. And sure enough, they will all sprout within a week or 10 days. In fact, there were so many, I was able to harvest some of these new plants and feed them to my chickens. By the way, you remember our little watermelon from the beginning of the video? It's been 2 weeks, and look at this baby now. I keep it in a paper bag because the weather has been extremely hot, but the crows have figured out that there's something in it, and as you can see, they're coming after it. With that in mind, I had to up my game and protect this baby to make sure that we see it to its fruition. Regardless if you end up eating your melons or not, just watching them grow is such an amazing thing. That's all for today. I gotta get back to packing because we have a big fire coming up behind our community. Thank you so much for following us, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and until we see you next time, please take good care of yourself and those around you and stay safe.